everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a recipe of cheesy pasta. So let's see what ingredients we need. We need 1 bowl of finely chopped chicken, 1 bowl of finely chopped onion, 1 bowl of finely chopped green bell pepper, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of green chilies, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of black pepper and half teaspoon of spice powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, Now in a boiling water add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. Now add pasta and boil until it is soft. Drain pasta and keep it in a side. Now in a frying pan add little oil and then add onion. Cook until onion turns into golden brown color. Now add chicken. Cook for about 2 minutes. Add ginger garlic paste and green chilies. Add all spices and mix well. Add tomato paste. Add green bell pepper and mix it well. Add half glass of water. Now cook for about 5 minutes. As you can see, chicken is ready now. In boiled pasta, add chicken and mix it well. Now in a baking tray or a Pyrex, place aluminium foil. Then add pasta. Add mozzarella cheese. Now cover the pasta properly with aluminum foil. Now place the Pyrex in oven for about 10 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius temperature. As you can see, cheesy pasta is ready and it is really looking delicious. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.